that good old question, does size actually matter? Well, with Major Tech, we've got you covered in both sides of the field. You've got the HCT240, which goes up to 240 mil copper and 185 aluminium, and it's got 12-ton rated pressure. Then you go for the bigger bad boy, which is our HCT435, which can go up to 400 mil copper and 300 mil aluminium. They both come with the dies, and what's nice about the HCT435 is having the 7-ton, this has your 12-ton pressure to it. So size is up to you.